Right, I just want to repeat that part again. I'm going to put my compass point on here, and I'm going to go back and forth within this one middle face, over and over, until it's a dark little arc that I see there. And then I'm going to do a 60-degree line down that way to form that corner, or that crossing over there, sorry. And the same thing here with that part coming down and forming that crossing over there. And then I'm going to take my compass, and I'm going to put my compass point on there, decrease my radius so that it fits perfectly in between there. And then I'm going to go and make sure that it runs inside that block there. It's a very delicate operation that you are performing here. There we go. And I'm going to do the exact same thing there, within that box, within that space. Right, there we go. Right, so I've got those arcs. Then I'm going to use my sharper angle, which is 30, and I'm going to put it on my T-square, and I'm just going to draw a short little line from there to there. Go over it and darken that short line till there, like that. Take note. And I'm going to repeat that on this side, slightly above that top line there, and it starts here and it moves till that point over there. And then I'm going to darken by connecting a dark line from that point until there. Alright, and then I'm going to darken this line at the bottom here, nice and dark. And then I'm going to take my T-square and my Z-square, and I'm going to darken this line. It's going to be darkened from here, not from the corner, from here down. And I repeat it on this side, from there down, and then in the middle, from there down. And you see, from here, not from the top, from there down, and the same thing here from that point down. And there you have your front view. Alright, like that. So the only thing remaining now is your right view, which is actually very easy. So all you're going to do is you're going to project those lines there, and that one and that line, all onto the 45 degrees, and you're going to project it down like that, down like that, and down like that. And then you're going to bring your height across like that, faintly like that. And there you've got your two faces now, and I'm going to clearly mark it for you. Alright, and in the same manner that we did this here, we're going to do that outside one here, and we're going to do a 60 degrees down, and it forms perfectly in the middle there, right? But we're not going to use that one. We're not going to use that one. We are going to draw another one there and another one there, so that we have these two crossings which we are going to use. We're not going to use that, and I want to show you by putting my compass point nicely anchored on that crossing there, moving it up inside the box, and then you just highlight that arc, make it nice and dark, go over it, delicate operation again. And the same thing is repeated on this side. If it's slightly out, it's not a train smash, it is only your first one that you are going to draw of many of these bolts and nuts. And now once you've done that, you're going to darken the top. Now here we're going to darken right through. There's no little lines that we do in this view. So This one is the easy one. Darken the box first. There. And the bottom one there. And the 3 vertical lines. 2 on the side. And remember, you go right up now till there. And you go right up till there. And you do the middle one only till there. Okay, so I just want to point out to you, this one you draw right up and complete the box. In this one, it's not going right up. You actually have that 30 degrees, and that's a 30-degree slant that forms that little shape on top there. And there's no actual corner here besides the dot that I indicated there. And hopefully the slides will just confirm the explanation which I've just completed at this stage. I hope you enjoy this drawing. If you are very accurate, it can actually become a very nice construction of the nut. See how you can complete it, and hopefully send me some photos to evaluate whether you are on track. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy.